Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slightly Madness. If you're new here, my name is Darshan and I have been daily driving Mahindra BE6 for a while now. I've already covered the ride experience, range stress, pros and cons, and even things that needed improvement. Now, my BE6 just got its first software update and first service too. So let's dive in and see what's new, what's not, and what Mahindra really needs to work on. First off, still stuck on the guest profile. We can't create or switch profiles. This feels very unfinished for a smart EV. The App Store is unchanged, just the same four apps, none of which are really useful, and no way to uninstall the pre installed apps. Mahindra had announced we'd be able to customize message on the tailgate. That feature still missing. Menu button always defaults to favorites, a small but annoying issue. Some owners mentioned better suspension feel after the update. Personally, I haven't noticed any difference yet. Apple CarPlay is finally here, and this is a game changer. You can connect your iPhone, play music directly from your apps, Spotify, YouTube Music, all from the screen. Google Map support through CarPlay makes navigation seamless, and you don't even have to touch the screen. Voice commands work great, like scroll up, next song, or open maps. Super helpful while driving. What got worse or still needs fix? Welcome seat feature, not working anymore for me. If anyone has a fix for this, please drop it in the comment or let me know if I should visit the service center again. Also, someone asked me how to turn off live location from Mahindra app. I tried disabling the service mode, but no luck. If anyone found a way, help us out all in the comment section. Few of you asked me to explain the drive assist. So let me quickly explain that for Mahindra BE6. Collision warning, when enabled, it alerts you with a sound or a warning symbol if it senses you are about to hit something in front, but doesn't apply brakes. Rear collision warning alerts if a vehicle is approaching too quickly from behind. No auto action, just a warning. Blind spot detection shows a visual indicator on the ORVMs, HUD, and steering also vibrates when a vehicle is in your blind spot. Super useful during lane changes. Auto emergency braking. This will automatically apply brakes if the system detects an unavoidable frontal collision and if you haven't reacted. Speed limit assist. If you select warning, it will alert when you are about to set a limit. If you select assist, it may auto restrict acceleration beyond a set limit. Lane keep assist. On warning, it will beep when you drift out of the lane. On assist, it may gently steer the car back into the lane if you don't correct it. Now, coming to the first free service, here's what was done. Software update, which we already discussed. Steering front assembly replaced. This was a known issue in many Mahindra BE6 units, where the steering button caused the horn to beep when clicked. General health check, coolant check, clutch split inspection, high voltage and low voltage battery check. That's pretty much it. EV don't have oil changes, so the service is mostly about software and general checks. So here's my honest takeaway. This software update bought Apple CarPlay, which is great, but nothing major beyond it. The profile issue, missing promised feature, and poor app experience still there. First service was minimal, as expected for an EV, but the biggest letdown is Mahindra's after sales service. Only few service center for Mahindra BE6 in the city, and it's far. Most staff still lack proper EV knowledge. For a flagship EV, Mahindra seriously needs to level up the customer experience. If you are a BE6 owner or considering buying one, let me know your thoughts or questions below. I reply to every comment. And if this video helped you in any way, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Slightly Madness, for more real world EV content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.